Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Daikin air conditioner remote control. So as you can see, I have this Daikin AC remote control available. So the very first thing for you to reset it is with the help of the batteries. So you just have to simply remove the battery cover, and then you just have to remove both of the batteries from the remote. Then you just have to leave the batteries out for at least 1 minute. While the batteries are removed, you can just simply press and hold this type of power button or the on off button, and you can just simply hold it for at least 10 seconds. This also going to drain any of the remaining power which is stored inside the remote, and it will also clear the temporary glitches. Now some of the Daikin remotes have this type of pinhole available, so it is going to be basically the reset button which is specifically given for the remote. So you need to use a pin or a paper clip, and you need to put that pin inside this particular hole in order to basically press that reset button. So you need to press that, and you just have to hold it until it clicks and until it resets. Now after doing so, you can also basically insert the batteries again and make sure that the minus and the negative and the positives ends are also installed correctly. If the batteries are old, you can also replace them with the fresh one. So after doing this reset, you need to simply press and hold this type of power button or the on off button again, and if your air conditioner responds normally, it means that the reset is successful. So that's how you can basically do it. Thanks for watching.